Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your JBL GO Essential speaker. So take a look, it's very simple. First of all, you have to power on your speaker by this power button. As you can see, it's turned on. And then we have to click and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume up button together until our device turned off. So take a look, Bluetooth button and the volume up button together. Click and hold and take a look on this front indicator. Hold it until it disappears and until you hear this turn off sound. There we go. Right now you can power on your speaker by the power button. And as you can see right now our speaker turns to the pairing mode. So as you can see, I don't have this previously connection. When I tap on it, I will get the new pairing request. There we go. So it means that we successfully pair from the hard reset of our JBL GO Essential speaker. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.